What happens when a single marble meets a canvas full of color? Let's find out. Welcome back to the Art of Yayomi. Today I'm working on a 10 by 20 inch canvas using metallic pink, metallic silver, violet, white, green, and light purple. I'm laying the paint in straight lines, then using a marble to move across the surface, turning simple motions to abstract designs. Start by layering your paints in clean, even lines. This ensures every area has enough coverage for the marble to glide smoothly. If your paints are semi-translucent, make sure to tilt the canvas slightly to coat the edges. When selecting your own palette, think about tones and temperature. Metallics paired with cool shades like green, blues, and purples because they share a similar reflective quality. Try laying your paints next to each other before pouring. If they look pleasing side by side, they usually flow well together on the canvas. Now for the fun part. I'm letting the marble roll. Each movement blends the colors, forming new patterns and unexpected trails. One of my favorite parts of fluid art is that the paint always surprises you. You can plan the layout, but once the marble moves, it takes a life of its own. Here's a quick fun fact. Metallic paints like silver shimmer because they're made with fine mica or aluminum particles that reflect light. That's why they catch your eye under any lighting. Fluid art reminds me that control and flow can exist together. You guide what you can and let the rest move naturally. If the paint looks thin in some areas, just add a bit more. You can always revisit sections to deepen the color. Once satisfied, use a torch to pop air bubbles that form under the surface. It helps the finish stay smooth and clean. Now as the paint settles, the silver reflects beautifully through the violet. The marble's path becomes visible, a trace of movement frozen in time. And thank you for watching The Art of Yayomi. If you learned something new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And remember, stay creative and keep painting.